Hi all, welcome once again. This is Ritu Chavda, works with Datafolks as a placement head. Datafolks is a leading giant in artificial intelligence and data science training. Guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about package versus position. I'm sure all of us face this dilemma in our life that what to go for, a higher salary with the compromised designation or a similar salary with the desired designation. I feel it's completely an individual choice whether to go for the package or the desired designation. But I must say that opting the right domain and designation can shape your career, which will be directly proportional to your package. If not immediately, but by being a consistent, you can definitely achieve a greater height in your career. So according to the recent survey, the more surprising factor is that around 30.9% employees says that they would be willing to give up some of their income if that strikes a better balance between being available at work and gaining more expertise rather than just money. So Datafolks understand the gravity of this situation, and hence our ideology is based on carving a niche in the market with a good grip of subject along with lucrative career opportunities. So friends, COVID-19 has made all of us realize that only by the knowledge of skills we will be able to sustain in the market, and even at the times of layoff and recession we can survive. So as an aspiring data scientist, no matter if you are a fresher or having some industry experience, it all boils down how you craft your career. So wish you all the best and happy learning.